Hi, all, welcome to Polity series. Today's info is Voting System of President of India. Let's see in short note. According to the Constitution, when the president is chosen, there must be equality between the union and the states cumulatively, as well as similarity in the representation of the several states. In order to do this, the number of votes that each elected member of the parliament and each state's legislative assembly is eligible to cast in the election will be decided as follows. According to the quotient derived by dividing the state's population by the total number of elected members of the legislative assembly, each elected member of a state's assembly will have as many votes as there are multiples of 1,000. This can be stated as follows. The value of an MLA's vote is equal to the state's total population divided by the total number of elected state legislative assembly members times 1,000th. The number of votes allotted to members of the legislative assemblies of the states is divided by the total number of elected members of both houses of parliament to determine the number of votes each elected member of either house would get. This can be stated as follows. The value of an MP's vote is calculated by dividing the total number of elected members of parliament by the total value of votes cast by all MLAs in all states. The single transferable vote and secret ballot are used to elect the president in accordance with the proportional representation system. The winner of the election will be returned by the absolute majority of votes according to this method. A candidate must receive a certain number of votes in order to be declared elected president. By dividing the entire number of valid votes cast by the number of candidates to be elected, in this case, only one candidate is to be chosen president. Plus 1, the quotient is increased by 1. This yields the quota of votes. One way to express the formula is electoral quota equals 1 plus total number of valid votes polled divided by 1 plus 1 equals 2. Only one ballot paper is distributed to each electoral college member. When casting a ballot, the voter must mark 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. next to the names of the candidates to express his or her preferences. This implies that a voter may express as